Howdy folks, it's Donal Ward-McCarthy here with Keller Williams Realty, bringing you your update for Bloordale Village for July of 2020. There were 6 sales, and as usual we're going to dig into the most expensive and the least expensive. In the link below me you can download all our charts, which I'm going to kind of just go into here briefly, but you can download them in the link below me here if you want to have a bit more of a peek at those. So let's dig into the least expensive home. So this was a property in Dufferin. Actually, this was our own sale, 1118 Dufferin Street. We sold this for $1,060,000. This property had 3 kitchens, no parking. That was one of the biggest disadvantages with selling this guy. 17.83 foot frontage by 120. So that was the least expensive, one of 6 sales. And then the most expensive was actually a property that I sold a couple of years ago. It was in very rough condition, like we're talking drywall, hanging down in the kitchen and stuff like that. And we sold it for $1 million, maybe 4 years ago, I believe. But anyways, the new buyers here, they went in and they created 4 really high-end units. And so this was quite a high sale for our neighborhood. This is 359 Margaretta Street, listed at 1.599. Sold in 12 days and sold for $1,901,000. So how did something that, is detached, 3-story, 20 foot by 107 with the double garage, how did that attain such a high figure? Well, basically comes down to numbers when it's an investment property. Okay, what is an investor paying and what's the income and what are the expenses? And from that you extrapolate what you call a cap rate. So that would have driven and this type of price point there. Okay, so next, let's go into kind of what's happening in the neighborhood in terms of prices. As you know, last month we kind of, or the last couple of months, we saw this, we saw COVID prices, we saw things come down in our area, and then we saw a sharp trajectory, and then things have settled down a bit, and I expect them to settle even show more little maybe leveling off here, I would say, for next month. And then, it remains to be seen. We do have to see how blue collar workers through COVID have been affected most. It remains to be seen if we're going to see that creep into white collar workers in the future. But we'll keep you updated on that. So there you have it, folks. You've got your chart as well too, the 6-month aggregation chart of all the different types of house sales that we do specifically for Bloordale Village. You can download that in the link below as well too. If you need any help at all, any assistance, if you're curious, if you're doing any refinancing at all to do renovations and all that lark, or even possibly purchase an investment property or the cottage that you've always wanted, do reach out to us. We're happy to do just a free, no obligation home evaluation for you, so you can maybe take that information to the bank when you're doing a refinance. So give us a call. Consider us your 311 real estate resource in your neighborhood. We live locally as well too. It's Donal Ward-McCarthy here, Keller Williams Realty. Thanks so much. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.